we didn't see Kwezi Lwahle's girlfriend on advert of Isngane Sestembu. Her name is on the list of people who are going to perform. So there is many things are going to be happen between Lwahle and Kwezi's family. He is going to pay the bride price. Macele last time she was demanding a DNA to make sure that Kwezi is carrying Lwahle's child, because last time there is a girl who lied to Lwahle that she is carrying his child and she was lying. That's why Macele was demanding a DNA. She was protecting her son. Musamseleku, he knows how to produce the show, because we want to watch. They are going to have a DNA. Maybe they have got a child. Lwahle is going to pay the bride price. What's going on now? Kwezi and Lwahle are the main actors of Isngane Sestembu. People are tired to watch Mpumelelo and his girlfriends, because Mpumelelo, he was exchanging girlfriends after girlfriends. But now we want to watch Lwahle and his girlfriend, or he is going to take another wife. What's going on? So it is going to be an amazing show, Isngane Sestembu. But Adam Samseleku's kids, especially Mpilo, Abongwe, they don't have drama. People who have got drama is Mpumelelo and Lwahle, especially Lwahle now, because he have got a girlfriend. We want to know what's going on. But Lwahle is a kind of person who doesn't have drama. So there is competition now between Mpumelelo and Lwahle. Mpumelelo, you've got 2 wives, and Lwahle, you've got one wife. But we saw Lwahle with other girlfriends. So we want to know who is going to take good care of women between Lwahle and Mpumelelo. And what's going on between Mpumelelo with his kids. Last time we saw Mpumelelo and Fyokas together. Mpumelelo was feasting his kids, Mhlopekas and Zulu. So there is many things are going to happen on Isngane Sestembu. That's why they are delaying that show, the way they are shooting. And Lwahle have to go and pay the bride price, especially Lwahle. Lwahle was the one who have got the drama than other people, because we want to watch what's going on, what's happened last time. You understand? So there is a lot, guys. We can't wait to watch Isngane Sestembu. That's why Musamseleku didn't bring Kwezi. He knows that people we are expecting to watch Kwezi, she have got a child now. They are going to have got a DNA. What? There is a lot, guys, are going to happen between Isngane Sestembu, and it is going to be a bigger show, because if Lwahle last time was Mpumelelo, you've got drama with his girlfriend, and now it's Lwahle. Next time is Mnini. So people who are going to have more drama are those boys. Most of the boys. Snare doesn't have a much drama like that, because Snare doesn't bring her boyfriends on television. Musamseleku doesn't allow the kind of thing to be happen. So people who have got main on that show is Mpumelelo and Lwahle. Now maybe Mnini, after 5 years, he is going to get a wife again, or to get more wives. We know that Mnini, he is like his father Musamseleku. I don't know what's going on. Or Mayeni, she is going to be the part of that family, of that show, because Mayeni have supposed to. We saw Amahle last time. We heard that Amahle's auntie and Mayeni, they are together. You understand? So Mayeni, she is going to fix their relationship with Amahle, to have got 2 daughter-in-laws, not to choose that she loves Tirelo more than Amahle. So there is many things are going to happen. We want to show drama, and we want Mayeni to future that show, what's going on, and about Mpilo. But the main reason is about Lwahle and his girlfriend. Other people, they don't have much drama. Maybe about Amahle and Mayeni. We want to know, we want to hear Amahle's side, how she is feeling that Mayeni didn't accept her. So guys, Kwezi, she is a part of that show, but Musamseleku didn't bring her on that advert, because Lwahle, maybe he was not finished to pay the bride price to her family. So maybe the show doesn't allow them to bring Kwezi now.